Hi everyone, today I'm coming on to show you how I make these page ruffles. They're really easy to put together and you only need two things. So you're going to need your paper that you're using. I'm going to be using vellum because I love how the vellum ones look. They're so pretty. I love the paper ones too, but the vellum ones are definitely my favorite. And I'm using my paper trimmer to cut the paper, but you don't need to. I'm going to cut mine down to 1-inch strips. That's just the way that I like it. So they're 1-inch strips, and this is A4 vellum that I'm just cutting on the short side into 1-inch strips. I'm actually going to do 2 full sheets because I do use these so often. And it's really good to do this in bulk because it is quite simple and you don't have to do it again. And you just have a lot in your stash and you aren't worried about using them up because you have so many. Okay, so I have all my strips of paper, and what you're going to do is you're going to grab the strip down the end and you're just going to fold on top of itself. I like to fold it just slightly above on itself. And I'm just doing little tiny folds just so it looks like a ruffle basically. And you're just going to go over itself, and I like to go slightly up and down because I don't like it to look straight. It's not really my style. So there is the ruffle. I'm going to do all of these, which will take not too long because it doesn't really take that long to fold them, and then come back and show you how to finish them off. Okay, so I folded a few of them and I'm going to show you what to do. So I use a sewing machine to stitch mine together because I really like the effect that it gives, but you can use some double-sided tape to hold them together. It does still look really cute, but I prefer the stitched. So I'm going to show you how to do the stitch first. So using your sewing machine, you're going to just stitch down the side. I like to have it on the side that's folded down first because when it pulls it down. There is the page ruffle done. So that took about 30 seconds to make. Super easy. So I'm going to stitch the rest of them. So here is all the stitched ones. They look very cute, and as you can see they get nicely compressed. Now to do the double-sided tape, what you're going to do is you're going to have your ruffle again just like you had it before, and you're going to take your double-sided tape. I like to start from the side that's folding over on itself, and you're just going to push down over the top of it. So and then that's done, and then there is a ruffle that is done. Because this is vellum, it does show through a little bit, but with paper you can't see through it at all. I just love using these in so many different projects, and they're so quick and easy to put together. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, please consider subscribing. It will really help me out. And leave a like. Bye guys.